Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the pens and the eraser feature in Google Jamboard. So we've got our frame and we'd like to add something to it. If we want to add something drawn by hand, we can use the pen feature in the Jamboard. So the pen feature is up at the top of that toolbar, and we have 4 different options for the pen style that we're going to use. We have pen, and each of these corresponds to a couple of different formatting styles. So if I go to pen, let's say I use black ink here, and I draw with the pen, so I can write something like Google, and it very much looks like regular handwriting. Sort of thick like a pencil or a pen might appear. It's not terribly thick, but it does look kind of like normal handwriting. If I change that style to the next one, kind of like a marker, and then I'm going to change the color as well, and then if I draw with this, notice that that is a little bit thicker in terms of the thickness of the writing. And then I have a highlighter. So if I use the highlighter tool and I write with that, notice it's a bit thicker, but it's not quite as dark either. It almost looks like there's a little bit of a fading effect in here. And then if I go to the last one, the paintbrush, and I use that, notice there's a lot of fading being applied with that tool. Now if I write with my stylus on this using a touch screen and there's something I want to get rid of, I can just select the eraser tool, and if I go very slowly, I can erase just a little bit at a time, but if I go faster, I get bigger swaths with the eraser and it doesn't take me as long to erase something. Now, if you have a background for the frame or no background at all and you just want to get rid of all the writing all at once, you can use clear frame to do that. That basically uses the eraser on everything that was inserted onto the frame. So if I do that, it just all goes away. And so that's how you can use the pen and the eraser tool in Google Jamboard.